Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Did you all survive the heat of the weekend? Yeah. I stayed inside the most I could. All right, last night, or actually yesterday, I really did the preparation, but I did a chicken pot pie pasta. Super easy, really yummy. The recipe originally calls for full-size penne. I used a mini penne. That's the way to go. Yes. I also added some herbs and spices, but I will get that posted up in the notes when I post up the recipe. Today is an oldie and a oldie and a new recipe. I'm doing my sloppy joes, and the new dish is French potato salad. Cool. All right, let's get to it. Got some hardware going? Yes, I like to do my sloppy joes in a wok. It's just bigger. Yeah. We serve our sloppy joes on bread, not hamburger buns. I'm using elk tonight. This is elk hamburger. There'll be some diced red pepper, diced red onion, some brown sugar, garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of olive oil. It's a tomato-based, also Monday, ketchup-based with some Lea & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, the only one I use, smoked paprika, cumin, ground mustard, and pasilla chili powder. Over on the other side of the things, the new recipe, baby red potatoes, some Sierra Nevada porter mustard, champagne vinegar, dill, flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley, fresh tarragon, green onions, garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, and olive oil. And if you didn't see from this weekend, I spent my Saturday afternoon doing two things. Actually, it carried over into yesterday. Behind me, I redid the upper shelf of my prep area. So we got all the goodies. And this stayed the same, a couple holes because they're over there on the counter. And I found, while doing inventory, I found a couple different herbs and spices that are not up in that. I also inventoried my upper cabinet here, which has just got some generic herbs and spices in it. Stuff there's only a few things I use, but I like to keep track. And I also did my overflow of Mexican spices, Indian spices. Let's just say I've got spreadsheets. Some people would say I'm micromanaging my kitchen, but actually I don't want to have. I need another cup of coffee. I don't want duplicates. I've had it happen. I actually got rid of duplicates over the weekend. Fortunately, the duplicates were super old, so I just got rid of it. I just want to be in the know. Because if I spend money on duplicates, it's money I'm spending. Which, yeah, you know what I mean. So, I'm really looking forward to sloppy joes and French potato salad. That looks really yummy. On this Monday, marvelous Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.